आप कॉन्फिडेंस कोच हो, लेकिन आप पर्टिकुलर वुमेन कॉन्फिडेंस कोच हो, आप खुद कहते हो वो चीज़ को। तो उससे रिलेटेड अगर मैं पूछूं आपसे कि अगर हमारी अभी घर गृहस्थी की बात चली थी, सो मैनी वुमेन्स आर गिविंग इंपॉर्टेंस टू करियर रेदर देन बिल्डिंग अ लाइफ टुगेदर विद समवन एल्स और रेजिंग अ चिल्ड्रन। ऐसे क्यों उनको लगता है कि अगर मैं एक बच्चा कर लूँगी या मैं शादी कर लूँगी तो मेरे करियर का मर्डर हो जाएगा, मेरे को फ्रीडम नहीं मिलेगी? ऐसा क्यों लगता है उनको?
I would say, world is moving too much into masculine energy. So people,
ओके।
especially women, because I'm a woman coach, they think they can have a or life. और लाइफ कि या तो मैं करियर ओरिएंटेड बन सकती हूँ या मैं अपनी फैमिली को देख सकती हूँ. बट आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव दैट यू कैन हैव अ एंड लाइफ. What is an and life? You can be a career woman and you can take care of your kids as well. There are so many examples of that,
Okay.
right? Like Indra Nui, she raised her kids and she's such a famous professional as well.
Okay.
So there are so many women. But nowadays, the thing is like women are moving too much into masculine energy, right? If you want to work, see, there are core values. Like if my core value is working, then I should work. Work means I'm talking about professionally, I'm talking about outside your house.
Okay.
But if my core value is looking after my kids or raising my children or looking after my house or doing some art or playing some music, I should do that. Not just to prove someone I should work, but if there is some financial need in the family, of course you should work. लाइक झांसी की रानी पहले के ज़माने में भी आपको शायद पता होगा ये कि सारी जितनी भी राजकुमारियाँ होती थी उनको सारी ये जो युद्ध वाली जितनी भी कलाएं होती थी सब सिखाई जाती थी. बट दे नेवर यूज टू गो एंड फाइट इन द वॉर. बट रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, कब रानी लक्ष्मीबाई झांसी की बनी? जब उनके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई और उनके ऊपर अटैक हुआ. देन शी केम आउट. यू शुड हैव द पावर. You should also have the skills, but you should not go and work to prove to someone else. In that case, I would say we are not progressing, we are regressing, because we are giving more of importance to the survival and not the aesthetics of life, right? So, and of course, children can never murder, as you said, some word that
फ्रीडम कि मर्डर ऑफ करियर या
they can never do that, because what is the role of a woman? Tell me. Both man and woman, they have different characteristics, physical different characteristics. Do you think you must be having women in your house like your mother or your sister, right? The energy in the house of love, compassion, nurturing, it comes from a mother. It
सही
comes
बात है
from a
मैम.
female figure. If there are only men in the family, like I have 2 sons and husband, so all men energy in my house, right? So whenever I am not there, I can see there is no life. So that is the reason I chose to become a women coach, because I strongly believe that if a woman of the family is happy, then she can actually uplift her generation. If a woman is not happy, her entire house dips, energy dips. So that's the reason I chose women career coaching.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू सो मच भाई एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर ऐसी और क्लिप्स चाहिए ना तो भाई सब्सक्राइब करो जाम विद जाम क्लिप्स को.